How do predictive brain models link neural activity to behavior? Imagine your brain as a super smart prediction machine constantly guessing what will happen next. Instead of just reacting to the world, it tries to anticipate it. That's the core idea behind predictive brain models. These models suggest that your brain uses past experiences to make guesses about what sensory information it will receive and what actions to take. When the actual input matches the prediction, everything flows smoothly. But if there's a mismatch, the brain notices a prediction error. This error then helps the brain update its internal models, making future predictions more accurate. Neurons in your brain are like tiny decision makers. They learn by comparing what they expect to happen with what actually happens. If a neuron's activity is higher than expected, the connections between neurons strengthen. This means the brain is learning from the experience. If the activity is lower than expected, those connections weaken. This process is called predictive learning. It helps the brain become more efficient at responding to familiar situations and adapting to new ones. Recent advances in artificial intelligence have helped scientists build models that mimic these brain processes. These models use large amounts of data from neural recordings to predict how neurons will respond to different stimuli. For example, they can forecast how the brain reacts to visual scenes or sounds. By training these models on data from many animals, they learn patterns that work across different individuals and situations. This ability allows researchers to connect specific neural activity patterns to behaviors like recognizing objects, tracking motion, or even imagining sounds or images. Predictive brain models also explain what happens when the brain is at rest. Even without external stimuli, the brain produces spontaneous activity that reflects ongoing predictions. These internal patterns prepare the brain to respond quickly when new information arrives. This readiness supports flexible and adaptive behavior, helping us navigate our environment smoothly. In practical terms, these models are transforming how we decode brain signals. They are used in brain-computer interfaces to help people control devices with their thoughts. They also aid in diagnosing neurological conditions by revealing abnormal predictive processes. For example, in epilepsy or depression, understanding how the brain predicts and updates information can lead to better treatments. By studying how neural activity links to behavior through prediction, scientists are opening new doors for neurotechnology and personalized medicine. Overall, predictive brain models serve as a bridge connecting what happens in your brain to how you act. They reveal the brain's hidden algorithms for learning, adapting, and responding, offering exciting possibilities for future neurotech innovations.